Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change or replace toners in a Samsung CLX-6260FW. This is a color machine, very good machine anyway. So we're going to show you how to change toner in this machine. So you can see that whenever I make a copy, it's going to say, let me try to make a copy. It's going to take copy. Okay, let me see. Just let me make copy. Start make copy. To cancel this progress, whatever. Sometimes they say, please prepare new whatever. So it tells you to prepare a new toner. So it means this is gone. But it makes copy, everything is fine. Okay, so it makes a copy. Let me try to come to the document feeder. I'm trying to make a copy from that side. Okay. Makes copy. Okay, new K toner. K, that K is the black one, understand? Okay, prepare a new K toner. Okay, this is fine. So it didn't make any copy. I don't know, I was making, I think, a blank copy. Something like that happened to me. It's fine. Okay, what you do, you see here at the side here, you can see there's nothing. Get me? There is nothing. You come this side, there is nothing. So what do? Sometimes there's something where you clip this out, but now you press here. You can see where you press. You press. Okay, is my light on? Flashlight on? I'm in darkness here. Okay, what do? You press here. Once you press there, then you do this. Okay, until here. You get me? Then you press this. Roll it out here. So in case you don't have money, you can do a trick. You take out this toner, right? This is the K, the black one. That's why they say K. You can say BLK. Yeah. So you do what? You shake it. But you can find this was shook before, so you might not see good results. Okay. Okay, if you have new toners, you're gonna just take out one by one. But this one, you just put it in back. Put it back the way it is. Then also another one, you take them like that. On another one, you press. You see, you press a bit like this. Put it up. Okay. Slide. Then you press. Put it up. Then you do what? You close. Once you push it in, you close here. After closing, it's gonna be fine. Okay, let's see. When it stops, then I'm gonna make a copy here. Okay, you can make a copy here or by start. It's a touch screen. Let's see the results, if they're gonna be better. Yeah, the results is better than before. Not very much good, but it's better than before. Yeah, well, that's how to change the toners. Also, you have to do, this is how to change papers. You take out that, okay, the machine. This is how to take out the waste toner. Press here, then take out this bottle, this one. Then you go, you put it, you empty it. See, I did that on this already. It's emptied here. You get me? That's the waste toner. So it's a good machine, but you have to look after it. Take out waste toner, do all those things. You get me? So you'll be fine with that. So this is its switch. That's where you switch it on and off. Now the machine is off. It's just blank off. Want it back? Can switch it on back. It's gonna come on. Oh. It's gonna come on. should always clean your machine. Always, you should clean your machine. You should always clean your machine.